In this video, I'll show you how to join the Dark and Darker Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, this is what you're going to type. Dark and Darker. Make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that. Then press Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Dark and Darker server. Press Accept Invite. And then press Confirm at the bottom. If you get this captcha message, that's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be some server onboarding. So we can skip the first one if we don't need an additional language channel. And then it'll ask what class do you play. Next, you need to read and agree to the server rules. And we've now joined the Dark and Darker Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.